So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to insert a horizontal line here on a Google Docs. So a couple different ways you can do this. The simplest way right here is if I were to go ahead and just type in horizontal line so I can remember what I'm showing you guys here. It's pretty simple. Go to the top left, press insert, then scroll down to where it says horizontal line, and then just go ahead and add it. That's the simplest way to add it. Now, if you want to do another way, you can go to insert right here. You can go to where it says drawing. You can press new. And you can actually go ahead and create a line of your choice. So you can go ahead and do what you got to do. But if you wanted to go ahead and create a line just like this, you can then save and close it. Then you can kind of move it around anywhere, do what you got to do, and your line is inserted that way. So a couple different ways, but that's how you guys can, I guess, insert a horizontal line on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.